as you guys can see, we got the lift put on, and we got the 32.5-inch Outlaw 2s with the 14-inch MSA. I think they're M20 cores. It looks pretty good. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. A lot bigger than when I had it on the 29.5s. I haven't driven around yet. I literally drove it from my garage down to here. So I still don't have my brakes hooked up. So front brake calipers are stuffed in there. And then I just have my rear caliper zip tied up at the moment until I can get SUPERATV to send me out some extended brake lines for this thing. But yeah, I am very pleased with the way this turned out. I absolutely love it. And that Can-Am red just looks so good. If you guys need any powder coating done, hit up, go to Facebook and search up Patrick McManus. He's located in South Arkansas. He does really good work. As you can see, these front arms look really good. But yeah, I think it was worth the money. So in the next video, I should be putting in a CV Tech primary and a CV Tech secondary. So I'll catch you guys in that video. Peace.